Hey, what's up subscribers? Welcome back to another video here at 88 Rotors Off-Road. We're bringing you a 4Runner compilation today, starting off with this black 5th generation 4Runner that we're doing a Bilstein 5100 setup on with some Dobinson springs and some SPC ball joint upper control arms. This vehicle came in with a previously installed set of TRD Pro wheels. The TRD Pro wheels are a 17x7 with a +4 offset. We're upsizing the tires on them to a 285/7017 BF Goodrich All-Terrain KO2. This lift setup gives it about 3 inches of lift in the front and about 2 inches in the back, which completely clears the 285/7017s on the 17x7 +4 offset wheels with the removal of the front mud flaps. 88 Rotors is located in the city of South Del Monte, which is about 20 minutes east of downtown Los Angeles in California, USA. If you're looking to get some work done by us, feel free to reach out to us by phone or message us through the contact form by clicking on the link in the description below. As we've mentioned in a previous video, these TRD Pro wheels from the 4Runner are hard to get these days. Toyota told us they either discontinued it or is just making it harder for people to get now. I'm not sure if it's because of the new version that's coming out in 2021, but nobody knows for sure if it's completely discontinued or not. If you know somehow, drop a comment down below and let us know. Next up, we have another 5th generation. This one is a white 4Runner that we've installed a set of Bilstein 5100s on with some Dobinson lift springs and some SPC ball joint upper control arms. For the wheels on this one, we went with the Method NVs, MR305s in a 17x8.5 with the 0 offset. Wheel color of choice here are satin black, as you can see, which we wrapped up in a 285/7017 BF Goodrich All-Terrain KO2. If you guys like what you see here on YouTube and want to see more of our work, feel free to follow us on Instagram. We post on there daily, both on our feed and our stories. You can check us out at 88 Rotors Off-Road. Next up, we have this blue 4Runner that's in for an Icon Stage 7 lift setup. He currently has a set of titanium colored Icon rebounds that's going to go quite well with this setup. The 4Runner Stage 7 setup from Icon Vehicle Dynamics consists of the following components: front 2.5 CDCV remote reservoir coilovers, rear 2.5 CDCV remote reservoir shocks, front tubular delta joint upper control arms, 2-inch rear lift springs, a rear adjustable track bar with upper and lower tubular trolling arms. Next 4Runner up on the rack is going with some Bilstein 5100s with some red Dobinson springs. We're also installing some CAMBURG tubular uniball upper control arms on this one. To give the vehicle a clean lift and an OEM look, we're sticking with the same factory TRD off-road wheels. We're just upsizing the tires now to a 285/7017 BF Goodrich All-Terrain KO2 since the lift will clear it. With all 4 wheels mounted onto the vehicle, we're going to bring it down to the ground, torque it down to spec, take it out for a quick test drive, and then hand the keys back over to the customer. Next one up on the rack is this clean 4th generation 4Runner. We're getting about 3 inches of lift in the front and 2 inches of lift in the rear with a Bilstein 5100 setup on Dobinson lift springs and some SPC ball joint upper control arms. We're also doing a 5-pack of wheels and tires since this vehicle is equipped with a rear spare tire carrier. We're doing some 285 70/17 tires on a set of black Feel recoil wheels. Wheels are in a 17 by 8.5 size with a positive 7 offset. This vehicle came equipped with the X-ray suspension system, which we're disabling. Here's a closer look at the front end suspension installed onto the vehicle. Make sure to also subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. That way you won't miss any of our future videos. Let's squeeze in 2 more 4Runners for this video. This one right here is going with an icon setup. The owner of this vehicle came in with a previously installed set of SpiderTrax 32mm spacers that we're removing. We're going to be installing some TRD Pro wheels on this one with some 285 70/17 tires. This last 4Runner that we're showing you received a body mount job from us. We're also correcting a lane on this one with a rear coil trim packer from Old Man Emu. And that's gonna be a wrap for today's 4Runner video. Thank you very much for checking us out today. Make sure to comment, like, share, and subscribe. Turn on that notification bell, that way you'll get notified every single time we post a new video. Until next time, please take care guys.